Hi, this is Litre from Toolbox Plus. Today we have 2013 Toyota 86, stock number 6120. It's ran from 04-2012 to 09-2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front guard no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front headlight. Right front guard no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,